What's up, guys? Welcome back to the house. I'm here with challenger Ryan Barnes. Today, we each get to oil our own lane, and then we're gonna bowl a 1v1, first game on my channel, second game on his channel, and we're gonna bring you guys some ridiculously low scores.
Yay!
Yeah! Yo, this is
You're not missing.
We hold the lanes ourselves. I'm not missing.
Okay.
300!
He shoots 300, I'll donate 100 to the channel. There's no way. And he's one
for one. Appreciate it. Thanks.
Yeah,
good job. Not saying that I hope you miss, but I hope you miss. I'll donate 100 to you if you go 300, all right?
All right.
To your channel. I guess it's only right that we strike on our own lanes.
Wall them up.
The key is to make them as easy as possible for yourself. What are your thoughts on lane one?
My practice shots were not very good. That's fine.
What do you think's a winning score here?
175.
I think the winning score is going to be 300. I think spares will be important.
I think I'm gonna try and stay clean.
That's a good plan. I think I'm gonna try and strike every shot. I don't know if that's a good or bad plan.
Stand up, fight. Fight.
God, I thought that was striking.
One on each channel.
Yeah, this left lane is easy.
Dude, what happened on
It's
the
the
two
right
lanes?
lane. I said, Ryan, you take lane 2. I'll take lane 1. We'll oil whatever we want to oil, and then we'll see how it plays out for us. So I put as much oil outside of 10 on lane 1 as I could.
Got a little right early. No fouls in action.
Fouls don't count on YouTube.
This one's gonna be the good old fluff job.
Oh!
It's fine. 9 is fine.
You said just be makeable. That's it?
All I said.
Stay clean.
Packy has to throw a double too.
I haven't thrown a double yet. It's loading now. Interesting strategy too, hooking the spare ball a little bit.
Ah, don't matter.
Okay. Sure. Yo.
Yo, what? Yo, you like that?
Well, I threw it harder than last time, which I wanted to do, but it was also a little inside.
A little shimmy shim.
This lane that would hook, that lane, you set them up for me.
I did set him up.
You literally set them up. Oh no.
Go in the gutter. Bro said, oh no, it's just... All right, it's got a triple.
Uh-oh.
One miss with a trip 6.
I think that purple daddy would look good right now. Just saying. Bing, bing.
How do I strike on this left lane?
Yeah, the right lane. Listen. Listen. I'm not gonna lie, they're saucy on the right lane too. Like there's plenty of oil out there, don't worry.
We're just gonna commit.
Ooh, purple hammer, ball change. String it. String it.
Hits, bro.
I just can't wait for you to shoot 250 on your channel and just whoop me. Is that
I
what
have
happened last time?
250 out
Is that what happened last time? I think I got you by like 20 or 30,
so.
and then I think you got me by like 50.
I don't know about 50, but... It's a great spare on lane 1.
That's a tough spare on lane 1.
Freaking wall.
Ryan, tell the camera where they can find you.
Bro, you guys can find me at Barnesy Bowling. YouTube? On
YouTube? Yeah.
Yeah.
Or Instagram, wherever.
Or Instagram, you know.
Wherever
Ryan 3 Barnes on Instagram.
Wherever they want to find you, they can.
Yeah. Yes. Hey, you gotta throw it better than that. That's a pretty good shot.
Should have said, oh no, would have struck.
Bad aim.
Bad aim.
So he's just a shooter now. He's a shooter.
Put that away.
Bro, always just finds a way. Really like the outfit today,
You like the outfit?
the jersey.
Jersey with the short basketball shorts? Hell yeah. Pull up the full PE teacher.
You're missing the long socks.
I have them.
So
I got the daddy over there in
can't
lane
miss in
one.
that lane. I'm almost tempted to throw a backup ball.
You have a better backup ball than me. You could easily throw backup on lane one. Lane two? No chance.
Oh no.
Fire in your
Pick
building
up.
this morning. Uh-oh. Just kidding. Hey, good shot. You're only down 20. That's a hit. That's a hit. You clean game so far. You said you wanted a clean game.
This is what I wanted.
Switching back to the, what is that, the magic gem?
Yeah. I don't know.
Purple hooked immediately.
And I have no touch. So
No backup ball here?
I just don't. No, we're gonna be a shot maker.
No faith in the backup.
This one's gonna strike.
Okay.
Hopefully. Carry. That's fine.
This one's gonna strike.
I really just don't like this. I'm scared to get it right.
Because there's so much oil out there. You go. I'm just gonna strike on this shot. Yeah, baby. All right.
Staying clean.
You go. I'm gonna strike on this lane. I looked at the camera and I was like, absolutely not.
Absolutely not. No, we still got 2 teams.
You got a good game going.
That just didn't make him hard enough.
You should have just ran that towel down the left side. I spent a good time outside of 10 on your part of the lane.
Yeah, I really just didn't want to make him too ugly because I thought that would be not fun to watch.
Listen, either really ugly or really high. Either one. Make them nice.
This one has to miss.
Oh, for all of you who say you can't ring a 7 on the strings. I mean, we brought your score back into the game here.
Am I alive?
You're alive. You're not like fully above air breathing yet, but you're alive.
I have to miss this.
You don't have to miss it.
This is a must miss.
I could split with low count in the next frame. I'm on lane 2 to finish.
This is a. I love it.
I don't know if that's gonna make it.
I don't
down
think
there.
that's making it all the way down there, but I love it.
Hey, good luck out there. I can't say I didn't try and let you win, all right?
Yeah, thanks for throwing.
This is 2 game totals.
2 game totals?
That's how confident I am in my game.
Wow.
Oh, the love tap over
I
there.
might find a double over here, and
Okay.
you might be a little nervous.
I will be nervous regardless. Regardless, I'm still in this thing.
Don't know what to do.
You know what a piece of advice?
Yeah.
Throw your purple hammer and just move left and just let it hook.
Dude, it hooked so early.
I know, you can't move left either because I don't know if there's much oil. You could. There's probably oil there. Or you could throw your plastic ball straight at the headband. If you were like a really highly skilled player, plastic ball, pipe at the head pin, try and slam the pocket.
All right.
Whatever you think is best for the pocket. Don't try and hook it. Just like literally try and hit the pocket. And if it hooks a little bit, you go broke.
This might be it.
That's pretty close.
And it's the worst make I've had all day.
I didn't love the angle that you chose. I would have just like faded the pocket.
You see, I would go left on this lane, but there's a wall.
Can't go left. What a tough break.
Oh my God.
Good count.
A lot of upper body there.
Good news is you got redemption here on
I'm
game
fried.
2.
The spare shot up the lane split.
Push. Ah, I'll show you a spare shot of land on my last one. I'll show you what I would have done.
It's gonna fade the head pin. I hope it's 7-9s.
You can Brooklyn if you miss a little. Beautiful.
I shot my target score, I'm not gonna lie. 175.
175?
That was
You
mine.
said 175 was a winner.
I didn't think you were gonna find a 3-bagger. I'm not gonna lie.
I thought
and
I was
then
gonna find a couple
another double.
three-baggers, yeah. All right, well, guys, there you have it. 214 for me, 179 for Ryan. You can find game 2 we're about to bowl on Ryan's channel, Barnsey Bowling, so we'll put that link down below in the description for you guys to find game 2 over there. Until then, peace.